Hello friends, I am your Law of Attraction coach Magical Mohit, and today I want to share about the best Law of Attraction workshop in the world. Yes, this is the workshop where you will get 100% results, and I am going to share with you the detail today because I want all of you to be happy, successful and manifest your dreams into reality. If you like the video, please comment below and share it with your friends and family members as well. So guys, before sharing about the workshop, I want to tell you one very important thing about law of attraction, about yourself, that you are the creator of your life. You are the creator. You have the power to change your life. You have the power to change your destiny. You can become the most happiest person in the world. You can become one of the most positive person in the world, and you can manifest your goals into reality. Yes, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है, but yes, you have the power within you. All you need to do is discover your inner powers. You need to just activate your inner powers, and you will start seeing positive results within few days itself. So this is what I do. My passion is to help people, and I have designed the best law of attraction workshop in the world. The name of this workshop is New Year Special 31 Days Magical Journey, starting from 1st Jan 2021. Let me tell you why it is one of the best in the world. Because normally what happens is, a lot of us, we just read books and watch videos, right? So if you read books and watch videos, you will get a lot of knowledge about law of attraction, but that is not going to change your life. Remember, reading books and watching videos will only give you knowledge. It is not going to change your life. If you practice, if you implement that knowledge into daily practice, that will give you 50% results. Yes, not 100%, but 50% results, because we all make mistakes. You know, you are not going into school where there are teachers to correct you on daily basis. आप स्कूल में जाते हो, you read books, there are teachers who teaches you. If you have doubts, you can ask teacher. If you make mistake, teacher will help you to correct. That is why you get lot of good marks in school, because you have teacher to guide you every single day. But when you read books, when you watch video and practice yourself, we make a lot of mistakes. You know, we don't know exactly how to do it. There is no school on law of attraction. There are no teachers in law of attraction. So that is the reason, that is why you get 50% results if you practice on daily basis. But you know, this is not an end. The good news is there is a chance of 100% getting results. Yes, 100%, because this is the best workshop in the world, I told before, because in this workshop we give daily personal mentoring. Yes, we have 5 life coaches, 5 law of attraction coaches to help you, to mentor you, to guide you every single day. You will get phone counseling. We will conduct workshop in our private Facebook group where I will post my daily videos in the morning. So there is going to be daily practice, there is going to be daily teaching, there is going to be daily personal mentoring. We will be helping you, we will be holding your hands, and we will teach you everything step by step and follow a process. You know, practice will give you only 50% results, but process will give you 100% results. The process is very important. Having morning ritual, having night ritual, living in the present, enjoying the present, letting go desires, you know, staying happy all the time. This is all part of successful process. So we have designed a successful process, and जो भी ये process follow करेगा उसको 100% result मिलेगा. But following the process is the most difficult part, and that is why you need motivation, and people lack motivation to practice on daily basis. I have seen thousands and lakhs of people who join workshop and they are not able to complete the 30 days workshop or 100 days workshop or 365 days workshop, because there is no one to motivate them. We will motivate you daily. We will guide you daily. We will help you to correct your practices daily. We will be like, you know, your teachers, your guides, your mentors to help you daily. We will help you to achieve your short-term goals and long-term goals. We will help you to understand law of attraction completely, and we will help you to make 2021 the best year of your life. So are you guys ready? Are you ready to transform your life? Are you ready to start your 2021 with a big bang? If yes, then this workshop is for you. If you want to change your life, if you want to get 100% results, this is the best law of attraction workshop in the world. So we are 5 law of attraction coaches, so we are going to take very limited people. So if you want to be a part of personal mentoring program, if you want to get daily motivation, 100% results, and manifest your dreams in 30 days time period, then this is the best workshop. DM me to get details, WhatsApp me to get details, and join my workshop starting 1st January 2021. Live your dream life, live a magical life, because you can, and I believe that you will. Thank you so much guys, and have a magical day. If you like the video, please comment and share it with all your friends as well. Thank you so much.